Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley. Today I'm going to be showing you how I turn my really old, super dusty girl, dusty knotless braids into locks. I wanted to take my braids out, but I was like, I could just switch it up because I know once I take my braids out, I'll be too lazy to style my own hair. So I was like, okay, let's just switch it up into locks. So if you want to know how I did this, stay tuned. Let's get into the things you will actually need. So you'll be needing edge control. The one I use is this red one, aqua hair wax. That's the one I use. It works well for my hair type, but use whichever one you find preferable for you. The next thing you will need is a latch hook. You can find this anywhere. Normally when I order like crochet hair on AliExpress, it normally comes with a free one. I have like 10 of these now, so you can find this at any hair shop. Next thing you need is a comb, preferably a rat tail comb. I can't find mine at the moment, so I'm just going to use this janky one. And the last thing you need, not the last thing, second to last thing you need is an edge brush. This is just an old toothbrush that I use for my edges. Anything you have will work. And the last thing you actually need is your Marley hair. This one I got from AliExpress. It comes in this pack. There's just a bit of hair in it, and that's what it kind of looks like. I don't know how much they put in each pack, but it's a fair amount. If you'd like me to leave a link for the AliExpress vendor, I will do that. But yeah, all you need is your Marley hair, but you can also get this from any hair shop. You can get it on eBay, you can get it on Amazon. It's not hard to find. I'm gonna start with the front so I can show you a little bit more easily what I'm doing. Let's start with the very front. So I'm gonna use this piece as an example. Firstly, what I like to do is I like to just section the hair, making sure the sections are still straight. So, because your hair does get old, and then I get my edge control and I just put the edge control on the piece of hair, making sure I grab all the bits that have come out of the braid as well and the new growth. So just making sure you really get in that and twist it. Let me just make sure that it's straighter, because that part isn't very straight actually. Yep. I don't know, I hope you guys can see this. Let me come a bit closer. But yeah, so you just want to section the part, put some edge control on it to make it neater, and then get your latch hook, get a piece of your crochet hair. So what you want to do is you want to get your piece of hair, all right? And I don't like to put it halfway through. I sort of just put it so only a little bit of the Marley hair is out, like that. And then you want to crochet through the braid. So I hope you can see that, but you want to put the latch hook through the braid like so, and then put that through. Okay, so now that that's through, you've got, as you can see, that way. So you can either wrap this way or you can wrap that way. I'm actually gonna wrap the other way, so I'm gonna put this like this. And then all you have to do is literally so easy. Make sure you're holding all of the hair, including the ones, your new growth. Make sure you hold that tightly. I'm using my thumb and my pointer finger to hold that, and then along with the little Marley hair. So hold everything together, and all you want to do is just begin wrapping. You can wrap as tightly as suits you. I like to wrap mine pretty tight because I don't like it when the roots come loose. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You just want to continue wrapping until you get to the end of the Marley hair. So now that I'm close to the end, I've got this little piece I'm gonna wrap until let me say I have like 2 inches of hair, Marley hair left. And then yeah, so now that you've got only this little section, what you want to do is you want to wrap upwards, right? You want to wrap upwards. You can, I like to separate, see how it's sort of bunched up there? I don't really like that, so I will separate that a little.
Purchase your tracks today.
And then make sure I'm wrapping. I'm hoping the camera's getting this because I can't really see. So just wrap upwards, keep going until you literally get to the very last strand of the Marley hair. So keep wrapping, okay, and that's about it. So what I like to do just for security is I'll get my lighter and I'll just burn where I last wrapped. You don't have to burn too much because if you do, it may catch onto like your clothing and stuff and you don't want that. So just burn a little bit, and look at that, you're already halfway through one braid. So all you're gonna need to do now is get another piece. This time obviously we're not gonna crochet it through, but we're still gonna use the same technique. So having only a little bit on this side, I'm gonna hold the piece of hair, attach the little section to it like so. So that's the little piece, that's my knotless braid, and this is the rest of the Marley hair. And now what I'm going to do is just begin to wrap right where I stopped previously. So that's right where I stopped, this section here, and I'm just gonna begin to wrap. Excuse my nails, nail shop's still closed, so please excuse my nails for this video. Yeah, so just gonna start wrapping again and making sure we're wrapping tightly. Okay, and push it up to make sure it's literally where you last stopped, and then you just continue wrapping like you were before. Once you're at the end, I'm not going all the way because I still want to keep this goddess effect, this sort of curly effect at the end. So once you're at the end, what you're going to do is, and you still have all of this Marley hair left, I'm just gonna cut and leave an inch of the Marley hair. So I'm actually gonna cut slant, a little bit of a slant, like so. And then I'm gonna sort of feather it a bit so it wouldn't be so straight, and I'm going to continue wrapping until I get to where I would like to stop, which is here, and then I'm going to go back with the same technique of wrapping upwards. So now I'm just wrapping upwards like so. Wrapping upwards. Okay, so now that that's done, and once again going to get my lighter, and I'm just going to burn that little section that I wrapped upwards because it's not sort of like staying. So you want to be careful as well, don't burn yourself, but yeah, I'm just burning that section. And then I'm just gonna pat it in so I know that it's settled and it's all sticky and there. And that's it. That is a lock. That is a perfect lock. And once again, crochet through. Like so. Put it in the latch hook. So get your crochet, put it in the latch hook. That closes, and just crochet it through. Put it through, and you want, this is on my left side and this is on my right, but I'm guessing because the camera's, yeah. So yeah, you want this one to be shorter, this to be longer, and we're just gonna use our thumb and pointer finger to hold the new growth, the braid, and the little piece of Marley hair, and then we're gonna begin wrapping as tightly as we can. Again, we get our lighter and you can just burn that, and make sure you pat it so it can like hold on. You can also use nail glue if you don't want sort of like the burnt sort of thing going on. I would use nail glue, but I currently do not have any at home, so it's gonna have to be this guy for today. And now I'm just gonna do the rest of them. I'm gonna let you guys watch me because I'm gonna speed through. And then yeah, look how much better that's looking already, so much neater. So let's just go through with the rest. So as you can see, it's the next day. It is the next day. I don't know why it took me so long to wrap everything round. Maybe it's because I had usually when I do locks and I do it from scratch, my part-ends are a lot bigger, whereas because it was initially knotless braids, the part-ends were smaller. So I'm guessing that's why it took me so long. But basically it took me the whole day. Bear in mind I started around 2 yesterday, but I was distracted by stuff and I was doing other things in between. But yeah, I love the results. I love how it came out. It's so nice. Let me come a little bit closer so you guys can see. It came out so nice. I will say it is slightly heavy, but it's not too heavy. It's a weight that I can become accustomed to. And for now, because I wrapped it so tight, it is a bit tight, but it will loosen up after a few days. Apart from that, I love how it came out. I highly recommend you do this if you're feeling to switch up an old style. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful. If you would like me to share more hair tutorials, or even like me to show you how I initially got the knotless braids, let me know and I'll be sure to do some more hair tutorials because I'm always doing something to my poor scalp. So let me know, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.